Okay, that's an interesting question. So what is the problem is, I'll tell you what is the mistake. See, when we have x is equal to y cube and we got 1 is equal to 3y squared dy by dx. But since by the concept of inverse of a function, we have converted y as a function of x. So basically y is actually x power 1 by 3. The problem with this function is, at origin, the derivative is not defined. To be frank, if I draw a vertical line, if I draw the graph of this function cube root of x, because y is equal to x power 1 by 3 is a cube root of x, the graph looks like this. So if you can see at origin, this is a vertical tangent, because what is the derivative of x power 1 by 3? So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 3 x power 1 by 3 minus 1, that is negative 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3.